How to create a Rosetta Stone account. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you'll be learning how you can create a Rosetta account. A Rosetta Stone account, sorry, and it is very simple. Kindly follow along. The first step is to ensure that you have the Rosetta Stone application installed. Then just go ahead and launch the app. Once the app is launched, the next step is to click on Get Started. Then after clicking on Get Started, you'll be brought to the next page. For this page, you'll be asked to choose a language. So which language are you trying to learn? For me, I'll be choosing German. Okay. And so once you're done with that, the next step would be for you to type in your first name. So you can just go ahead and do that. Note that this is just an example, okay? Then click on next. The next step would be for you to enter in the email that you want to use for this particular account. And I'm just going to type that out now. Then after that, click on next. Then once you're done with that, you do it for the page to load, and then you'll be asked to enter in a password. You must note that the password is case sensitive, so ensure you use a password that you can remember easily. Then if you would like to receive exclusive deals about Rosetta Stone, you can check this box or you can leave it the way it is. Then click on create account. Alright, so the password must be 6 or more characters. Alright, and it must not contain a special character. So ensure you take note of that. I click on create account and then you wait for the page to load. So once it's done loading, your Google Password Manager would ask if you'd like to save your password. I would advise that you do so because of next time, and then you'll be asked to choose a subscription, okay? Because learning a language on Rosetta is not for free, so you have to choose a subscription. And then if you do not want to, move to the top right corner and click on no thanks, and then you wait for the page to load again, and then you'll be on a 3-day free trial. All right, so you can set to start it, or you can also click on no thanks by moving to the top right corner, and then you wait for the page to load, and then you're done. Your account has been successfully created. And to check more about your account, move to the bottom right corner where you can see the padlock icon, click on it, and then you will see further information about your account. So this is it. This is how you can go about it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.